Adjectives. Kinds of adjectives. Kinds of adjectives. Adjectives may be divided into the following kinds: adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, distributive adjectives, interrogative adjectives, possessive adjectives, emphasizing adjectives, and exclamatory adjectives. So there are 9 kinds of adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. It is used to add meaning to a noun. Look at the following examples. Young woman. Here, woman is the noun, and the word used to describe the woman is young. The highlighted word young is an adjective. It adds meaning to the noun, the woman. Red car. The noun is car. The adjective is red. It describes the noun, the car. So red is the adjective. Tall building. The noun is building. The adjective is tall. The highlighted word tall is an adjective. It describes the noun building or adds meaning to the noun building. Adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality generally qualify the nouns. It shows the kind of quality of a person or thing. Adjectives of quality answer the question, what kind? Look at the following examples. Mumbai is a big city. So ask the question, what kind of city? The answer is big. It is qualifying the noun city. It is telling us the quality of the city, big. So big is an adjective of quality. Look at the next example. The rose is a beautiful flower. So the noun is flower. What kind of flower? Beautiful. So beautiful is the adjective of quality. It qualifies the noun flower. The third example, John is a strong boy. So strong is the adjective of quality. It qualifies the noun boy. You ask the question, what kind of boy? You get the answer strong. So strong is the adjective of quality. So big, beautiful, and strong are adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity show the quantity of a thing involved or how much of a thing is meant. Look at the following examples. There is little water in the glass. So you ask the question, how much water? The answer is little. So little is the adjective of quantity. She ate the whole pudding. How much pudding? Whole. So whole is the adjective of quantity. We cannot take all the luggage. All is the adjective of quantity. We cannot take how much luggage? All the luggage. So all is the adjective of quantity. He finished half the work by himself. How much work? Half. So half is the adjective of quantity. So all these words, little, whole, all, half, are adjectives of quantity. They tell us how much of a thing is meant. Adjectives of number. Adjectives of number show the definite or indefinite number of persons or things involved. Look at the first example. I ate 2 apples. How many apples? 2. So 2 is the adjective of number. It is a definite number. It is a cardinal. The second example, he stood first in the row. So first is the adjective of number. The boy stood first. It's a definite number. It is an adjective of number. It is a definite number. It's an ordinal. The third example, most boys like ice cream. So most is the adjective of number. It is an indefinite number. We do not know how many boys, but most boys like ice cream. So most is an adjective of number. There were many girls in the class. So many is the adjective of number. It is an indefinite number. So all these highlighted words, two, first, most, many, are adjectives of number. Adjectives of number show the definite or indefinite number of persons or things involved. Demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives specify or point out the nouns. Examples: this is my pencil. So this is the demonstrative adjective. It specifies or points out the noun, that is pencil. That boy is very lazy. That is the demonstrative adjective. It specifies or points out the noun, the boy, that boy. So that is a demonstrative adjective. I don't like such things. Such is the demonstrative adjective. It points out the noun things, such things. So such is the demonstrative adjective. Those things belong to the innkeeper. Those is the demonstrative adjective. It points out or specifies the noun things. These are Rohan's relatives. These, demonstrative adjective. It is specifying Rohan's relatives, the noun. So these is the demonstrative adjective. So all these highlighted words, this, that, such, those, these, are demonstrative adjectives. Distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives point out each one of a number. Look at the following examples. Each girl took her share. So here, each is the distributive adjective. It points out each one of a number. Each girl took her share. The second example, every word he spoke was a lie. So every is a distributive adjective. It points out each one of a number, each or every word. I shall be satisfied in either room. So either is a distributive adjective. Neither newspaper is true. So neither is a distributive adjective pointing out each one of a number. So all these highlighted words, each, every, either, neither, are distributive adjectives. Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used with nouns to ask questions. Example, which book do you prefer? So, which is the interrogative adjective. The second example, what answer did you get? What is the interrogative adjective. It is used with nouns. What answer? Answer is the noun. So what is the interrogative adjective? Whose car is that? Whose is the interrogative adjective. It is used with the noun, the car, to ask question. So whose is the interrogative adjective. So which, what, whose are interrogative adjectives. Possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives show possession. Example, this is my car. So my is a possessive adjective. This is her child. Her is a possessive adjective showing possession. The dog is wagging its tail. So its is the possessive adjective. They are our friends. So are is the possessive adjective. This is their school. There is a possessive adjective. So all these highlighted words, my, her, its, are, there, are possessive adjectives. Show possession. Emphasizing adjectives. Emphasizing adjectives are used to give more emphasis. The words own and very are used for this. Examples, this is my own pen. So own is the emphasizing adjective. We saw it with our own eyes. So own is the emphasizing adjective. This is the very book I want. So very is the emphasizing adjective. So the words own and very are used in emphasizing adjectives. So own and very are emphasizing adjectives. Exclamatory adjectives. Exclamatory adjectives point out some exaggeration. The word what is used for this. So the examples are what occurs, what an idea, what courage. And you see this is an exclamation mark. So these are all examples of exclamatory adjectives.